We all know that growing our email list is an important part of growing our online business. That means that we have to have opt-ins that entice people to give us their email address. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way to brainstorm your idea and validate it with your audience, and what to put on the page to make sure that it converts. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share the conversion rates that you should be looking for and what to tweak if you're not getting the conversion rates that you want. How do you make sure that you create an opt-in that converts? Here's 3 ways to make sure you get it right. Number 1, create something that will make their life easier. Think scripts, or a behind-the-scenes view of how you do something, or templates. When we're creating an opt-in, people want something that won't take long to implement. Number 2, make sure you're using a framework. A lot of times we think we just want to give more content because isn't more better, but it's not. A lot of times more is just more. You want to help them get a result as fast as possible. Use a framework that shows them the exact steps to get from point A to B as quickly as possible. They'll thank you by sharing online how wonderful your opt-in was and what great results they got. Number 3, make a big promise. I know that you can't guarantee results for everybody who uses your opt-in, but it is important to tell them what those results are and be bold. Tell them if you can save them time. Tell them if you can save them money. Tell them if you can get them more money. Tell them if you can save them stress and create calm. Now that we have an idea of what opt-in you could create, we've got to go do a little market research to validate your idea. This is how I want you to go into Facebook groups, whether it's yours or somebody else's, and validate your concept. Number 1, I want you to come up with 3 separate opt-in ideas. Go into a Facebook group and ask which one of those 3 they like best. Once you get your answer, come up with 3 different titles for that opt-in idea. Test which one of those ideas they like best. Then finally, take that one idea that everybody picks and ask them to select which cover design or what type of content they would like. That way you're not only getting answers, you are also building buzz. Now we have to actually create the page that's going to get people to opt in. Here is what needs to go on that page. First, you want your headline that states that big promise. Next, you want 3 to 5 bullet points that shows them the benefits of getting your opt-in and what it will do for them. Next, you need your opt-in form. This is first name, last name, email, and a button using words they would say. Don't say submit, say I want this, or yes, give it to me, or I can't wait. And then finally, you need a bio. If you're super famous, maybe you can get away without having one, but nowadays people want to know who they're getting products and services from if they're going to give you their email address. Put a nice headshot of you, preferably one that feels organic and real, not one where you're sitting just staring at the camera. And your bio shouldn't just be about your credentials. It should be relevant to the opt-in. So if you are doing an opt-in that's all about how to use Trello as a tool, you're going to want to tell them why you love Trello, which is what I did on my opt-in. Once your opt-in is out in the world, you'll be able to see how well it converts. But what are good conversion numbers? 30% is a good marker. If it's under 30%, we want to start making tweaks. And if it's 30% or above, then it is a scalable model. You could put Facebook ads to it, do a whole bunch of other things. If you want to check out how to do Facebook ads to help grow your list, you can click here. The rule is at least 50 people opting in before you make any changes so that we can have a real significant statistical data to go off of. Once you've had 50 people come in, if it's under 30%, then we're going to change the headline first. We're only going to change one thing at a time so that we can measure what's working and what's causing the increase in conversions. After we test the headline, then you can test your bullet points. Make sure they're even more enticing and really hit on the benefits and not the features. Those are the 2 main things that you can change. There's a bunch of other tweaks that you can make to test out your conversions, but I would try those 2 first because those are going to make the most significant difference. Now, once you've got people on your email list, you probably want to know how to nurture them and convert them into sales. Well, watch our next video here. Or if you want to dive deeper into opt-in creation, you can check out my video here. Either way, I'll see you in the next one.